Host to camera. Welcome back, Toolheads. Today we're pitting the crowd favorite DeWalt 20V NAX 5.0HH Twin Pack Model DCB2052 against two heavy-hitting challengers, the Milwaukee M18 REDLITHIUM XC 5.0HH CP2052 and the Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion BL1850B 2-pack. All three are 18-20-volt class, 5 amp-hour lithium-ion slide packs sold in pairs, yet each has a distinct philosophy on power, runtime, and value. Strap in for the 3-round showdown. Round 1. Raw specimens. First, let's line up the stat sheets. $100 20-volt nominal, 3 LED fuel gauge, no memory and virtually no self-discharge. 60% more capacity than DeWalt's own 3.0 amp DCB200. 2-pack MSRP equals $189. Milwaukee M18 XC 5.0 CP2052. 90 watt-hours, 18 volts nominal. RedLink overload protection plus temperature management. 5-segment LED gauge. 2-pack MSRP to approximately $199. Makita BL1850B-2. 90 watt-hours, 18 volts nominal. Built-in chip for star protection communication. 4 LED gauge plus optional rapid charge display on the charger. 2-pack MSRP equals $179. Round 2. Pros and cons. Let's break it down bullet style. Highest watt-hour rating of the trio, 100 watt-hour versus 90 watt-hour, translating to approximately 10% longer runtime in high-draw tools such as recip saws and rotary hammers. Universally backward compatible with every 20-volt max tool since 2011. No plastic tabs or firmware lockouts. Cold weather performance. Internal chemistry stays stable, down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, according to field tests. 3-year warranty plus 90-day money-back guarantee. Weight, 1.4 pounds per pack, 0.1 pound heavier than Milwaukee and 0.2 pounds heavier than Makita. No smart Bluetooth tracking. If you leave it on the job site, it's gone. Price creep. Street prices hover near $100 per brick when not on promo. Milwaukee M18 XC 5.0 CP205-2. RedLink Intelligence actively throttles current before cells overheat, extending cycle life past 1,000 charges in lab tests. 5-segment gauge gives finer granularity than DeWalt's 3 LEDs. Narrower slide rails reduce friction in extreme dust environments. Easier wipe down. Works with Milwaukee's M18 supercharger, 80% in 30 minutes. $10 less capacity than DeWalt means a noticeable drop in runtime for high-demand brushless grinders. Despite 18V label, open circuit voltage sags quicker under 40 amp spikes, so impacts feel softer on the last 25% of charge. Highest per pack price when not bundled. Makita BL1850B-2. Star Protection computer controls talk to the tool and charger 200 times per second, cutting power before thermal runaway. Fastest recharge of the three, 45 minutes from dead to full on Makita's DC-18RC. Lightest packet 1.2 pounds, great for overhead screw guns. Lowest upfront cost, often $20 cheaper per 2-pack. $10 deficit versus DeWalt shows up after 300 cuts on a 7¼ circular saw. Expect 1 extra swap per day. LED gauge visible only when battery is on tool or charger. No at-a-glance check in the tool bag. Occasional fit issues in older LXT tools manufactured before 2012. Slightly thicker base ridge. Round 3, Real-World Tour. Scene cuts to a dimly lit shop. Table saw, impact driver, and LED tower fans running. Technician, voiceover. We ran 3 identical DeWalt DCS 573 brushless 7/4-inch saws, each powered by a freshly charged pair from today's contenders, ripping 3/4-inch OSB until the packs quit. Results: DeWalt DCB 2052, 287 linear feet. Milwaukee XC 5.0, 261 linear feet. Makita BL1850B, 255 linear feet. Next, cold soak test. All packs sat overnight in a -10 degrees Fahrenheit freezer, then powered an impact wrench at 300 feet-pounds. DeWalt spun 1,200 cycles before low voltage cutout. Milwaukee, 980. Makita, 950. And numbers echo the spec sheet. DeWalt's extra watt-hour buys you time when the job is brutal. Round 4, dollars and cents. Host, holding a whiteboard. Let's do a 5-year cash analysis assuming you own 4 batteries and cycle each twice per week. 500 cycles year. DeWalt. Upfront, $189 times 2 equals $378. Replacement packs after 1,000 cycles, $0. Warranty covers greater than 1,000 cycles for 3 years. Total 5-year cost, approximately $400 after inflation. Milwaukee. Upfront, $199 equals $238. Replacement after 1,000 cycles, out of warranty, $199. Total 5-year cost, approximately $597. Makita. Upfront, $179 times 2 equals $358. Replacement after 500 cycles, real-world fade noted by framers, $179. A total 5-year cost equals $537. Edge, DeWalt thanks to higher cycle tolerance and warranty coverage. Round 5. Ergonomics and ecosystem. Host, gesturing to a wall of chargers. All 3 lines have combo chargers, but only DeWalt's DCB115 and DCB112 are routinely bundled free with kits. Milwaukee's supercharger is a $99 add-on. Makita's dual-port rapid is $89. Weight matters overhead. The Makita saved our electrician 0.2 pounds per pack, over a pound across 4 batteries on a tool belt. Meanwhile, Milwaukee's rubber overmold survived a 12-feet drop onto concrete with only scuffs. DeWalt cracked its base plate in the same test, though it stayed functional. Ecosystem lock-in is real. If you already own 20 VMAX tools, the DCB205-2 is a no-brainer. But Milwaukee's M18 line has deeper plumbing and mechanical offerings, and Makita's 18V LXT Universe is the broadest cordless OPE line outside of DeWalt. Host, graphic overlay. Runtime king, DeWalt. Smartest electronics, Milwaukee. Value and weight, Makita. Best warranty, DeWalt. Fastest recharge, Makita. Ecosystem flexibility, Milwaukee. So who wins? If absolute runtime and warranty peace of mind top your list, grab the DeWalt 20V Max 5.0 amp DCB205-2. Need bulletproof thermal management and finer LED feedback? Milwaukee's M18 XC 5.0 is your huckleberry. And if you're price sensitive, weight conscious, or already deep in the Makita ecosystem, the BL1850B-2 still delivers respectable power for less cash. Whatever you choose, keep those cells cool, cycle them regularly, and they'll return the favor when the clock hits quitting time. I'm your host. Stay charged and keep building.